Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Today, I'm going to be sowing these Eucomis hybrids mixed pineapple lilies. Just get the instructions up here. Not if you can just see it a little bit better. Some light. So you can sow from January to March. There's all the instructions there. Between these and these seed tray here. Also going to, I've never sown this here. I thought I'd give these a go. Purple Picotee. They are perennial as long as you keep in a nice heated greenhouse. So I'm going to be sowing these instead of February, March, April. A little bit of an experiment, see if we can get them to grow this time of year. Look after them until next year. As we come round here, we have sweet peas there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sweet peas coming through, which is absolutely brilliant. Then some viola in front, some helenium, and some carnations. Those are sprouting on before this. Keeping them 20.2. These are my pelargoniums, geraniums people call them, that we'll have to dry out. I think 2 might have survived, which is great. So yeah, we'll get on with this now. Get back up, folks, if I can. 2 seconds, folks. Just get this in here quickly. So, down here, all we're going to do first is fill this full of compost. Hope everybody's keeping it okay. We had some terrible weather here. Last couple of days it's been absolutely dreadful. I've not been out to the greenhouse. First time I've been out. Blowing a gale and torrential rain. A couple of people have died, unfortunately. The weather has been that bad. This is a leftover reused potting compost from last year. This year, sorry. I put plenty of water through it just to leach out any nutrients that might be in there, because you don't want too many nutrients in there. I'll get this in here like so. Get a little dabber. Backwards and forwards, get it nice and level, that's what you need. Oh, I've got the wood burner on. It's absolutely roasting in here today. I'm for half an hour. Let through his sweat. So pineapple lilies are. I'm so looking forward to growing these. Cut this like so. First of all, so let's look at these seeds here. There they are. Have a good look at those. All I'm going to do then is just tap the hand, spread them halfway. All we need to do now with those, give them a little sprinkle of compost over the top, a little water in, and next we should do the petunias now. These are exactly the same. There is. These were $3.99, 30 seeds, so these are quite expensive petunia seeds, these, so don't lose any of these, not that price. But they are beautiful flowers. So, get them open like so. At that time you actually miss them. And just a little bit of cover. And then the name tag. Put those to one side. Then all we do then is just give them a little bit of water from the top. Just to moisten the top a little bit. Like so. Then all we're going to do is move them across to my heated propagator, which is over here. And all we're going to do then is, which is over here. And all we're going to do then is give them a little bit of water, like so, from the bottom. That should absorb nicely. Put the lid on, put the moisture in there, and that's it. That's how to sow your petunias and your pineapple lilies. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me a monkey. We'll get back to you. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey.